Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Nall 2025, a very wet, very rainy Monday here at the Electric Line. We're here at the Horizon Hobby booth, if you will, and they have got just about every single thing that they sell here on display and for sale, which is really nice. Really nice. And the prices are phenomenal. I mean, just phenomenal. You can see, let's walk over here. Got this wonderful Foresight for $220. The new Habu is here. It really blew me away in terms of the price are the Viper Jets. Looks like a 70 millimeter here, or maybe 80, for only 300. And I do believe this is probably the 70 millimeter, and that is only 200. Fantastic. And the F-16 is only 330. So really nice stuff, great stuff here. Everything that they sell, including the flight simulator. Come on by, try out the flight simulator. You'll see it there. And then come on around here. Let me go ahead and show you what else we've got. They've got all their helicopter lines. So nice to see them expanding their helicopter lines. Really getting into 3D, and the prices are just stunning. They've got one with bind and fly for only $140. One with a transmitter as well for as little as $85. And a classic, the MCX, a great beginner helicopter for only $60, which is really nice. All their transmitters are here as well, which are really nice. The big IX-20 SE with a show special of $1,400. Lots of show prices, folks. Lots of show prices. And of course they got the Charger and some other stuff as well. Folks, come on by the Horizon Hobby booth on the Electric Line. Won't be disappointed. All right, friends, more to come.